Hi, this is Danish, and I made a T-Rex book for my school, and I want to read it to you. T-Rex book by Danish Kalata. T-Rex. T-Rex picture. Table of contents. What is a T-Rex? What does a T-Rex look like? What do T-Rexes eat? Fun facts. Chapter 1. His head is large and he has a lot of teeth. He walks on 2 legs. His hands are quite small. He has a long tail. These are all the pictures of the T-Rex. The teeth, hands, head, and tail. T-Rexes are meat eaters. They love eating Triceratops. Last one. Chapter 4. Fun facts. Scientists thought T-Rex hunted in packs. T-Rex means king of giant lizards. T-Rex is compared to lizards. The end. Thank you for watching. Hope you subscribe.
Thank you.
And I'll see